Why would millions of people abandon their traditional high street bank for a bright, coral-colored debit card? It's a question that gets to the heart of how Monzo became one of the most beloved and fastest-growing banks in the UK. Before Monzo, banking felt stuffy. It was about standing in a queue, filling out forms, and waiting days for a transfer to go through. Monzo didn't just offer a better bank account, they offered a better relationship with your money. They started with a simple promise, total transparency, and a stunning user experience. Remember those instant spending notifications? When you used your Monzo card, your phone buzzed immediately, telling you exactly how much you spent and where. It was a simple feature, but it was revolutionary. It gave people control and a clear, real-time picture of their finances. No more waiting until the end of the month to see where all your money went. Their iconic hot coral card was a genius marketing move in itself. It was eye-catching, a conversation starter, and a visible sign that you were part of something new. But the card was just the beginning. Monzo built a community. They used a public product roadmap, inviting users to give feedback and vote on new features. They weren't just a company, they were building a bank with their customers. This created a level of trust and loyalty that traditional banks could only dream of. Monzo wasn't a faceless institution, it was your bank, and you helped build it. They used word of mouth like a superpower. Remember the waiting list? You had to sign up and wait your turn, or get a golden ticket from a friend who was already a user. This created a sense of exclusivity and fueled viral growth, turning every user into a brand advocate. And finally, they made banking cool. Their tone of voice was friendly and approachable, not corporate and cold. They used emojis, they had a popular blog that explained financial concepts in plain English, and their in-app chat support was a game changer. No more painful phone calls or being put on hold. By focusing on community, transparency, and a product that actually solved people's problems, Monzo didn't just compete with the big banks, it redefined what a bank could be. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.